In this video, I'll show you how to download the LinkedIn application on your computer or laptop. Let's get started. First, open Chrome and go to the search bar and type in LinkedIn Microsoft Store. Click on this link here. And then click on download, as you can see here. Go to downloads folder here and click on this file that we have downloaded. Now click on install. And this is how we can download LinkedIn application on our computer or laptop. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.